As you can see on the screen, I've had an open short trading position on the USD CHF currency pair for about a couple of days now. The reason why I took this short trading position is simply because I identified a bearish trend on the daily time frame of the USD CHF currency pair about a couple of days ago. I arrived at the conclusion that the direction of the trend on the USD CHF's daily chart was bearish because price crossed and closed below the 360 period simple moving averages on the currency pair's daily time frame, satisfying the first step of our forex trading strategy. If you take a close look at the chart which is being displayed on the screen now, you'll notice that the blue line of the ADX indicator also crossed above the horizontal line which was placed at the indicator's 25 level mark, signaling to us that the bearish trend which we just identified on the daily chart of the USD CHF currency pair is a strong trend. Once I saw this, I simply cranked down to the 4-hour time frame of the USD CHF currency pair to confirm the validity of the bearish trend which I identified on the currency pair's daily time frame, since that's what I was supposed to do according to the rules of our trend following forex trading strategy. As you can see on the screen, price was also trading below the 360 period simple moving averages which were added onto the 4-hour chart of the USD CHF currency pair. And this is exactly what I was looking for in order to confirm that the direction of the trend on this currency pair was actually bearish. So all that was left for me to do at that point was to simply crank down to the 1-hour chart of this currency pair to start looking for low risk, high probability short forex trade setups in the direction of the bearish trend, which I was able to successfully identify and confirm on the pair. On the 1-hour chart of the USD CHF currency pair, price had already crossed and closed below the 360 period simple moving averages. Therefore, I only needed to wait for price action to lead to the formation of a down fractal, which would help me to identify the exact price level where I would be getting into the market with a short trading position on this currency pair after its successful bearish price crossover. And that's exactly what happened a couple of hours later. Once I saw this down fractal get formed on the 1-hour chart of the USD CHF currency pair, I placed a sell stop pending order to get me into the market with a short trading position on the pair, a couple of pips below the lowest price of the candlestick which led to its formation. I did that because that is exactly what I was supposed to do according to the trade setup identification rules of our trend following forex trading strategy. As a side note, you always want to wait for 2 candlesticks to close after an up or down fractal gets printed onto your price charts, because those fractals could easily disappear if price were to move beyond the highest or lowest price points of the candlesticks which led to their formation. But that's not going to happen when you wait for 2 candlesticks to close on the right hand side of the candlestick which had an up or down fractal printed either above or below it on your forex price charts. So take note. Once I identified the price level where I wanted to get into the market with a short trading position, I immediately proceeded to looking for the exact price level where I would be placing a stop loss order for the short trading position which I wanted to take using the 60 period simple moving average which was applied to prices high on the 1-hour time frame of the USD CHF currency pair. As you can see on the screen, when I hover my mouse's cursor over the stop loss order for this short trading position, you'll notice that I'm risking about 57 pips on it at the moment. Therefore, I placed my profit target at a price level which ensured that I was aiming for a profit which was twice the number of pips which I was risking on this live forex trading position, in line with the trade setup identification rules of our trend following forex trading strategy. And this is why you'll notice that the profit target which I set for this trading position is actually about 114 pips away from the trade's entry level. At the moment, my short trade on the USD CHF currency pair is sitting on about 67.7 pips of floating profits. And just so you know, I'm only risking 1% of my forex trading account's capital on this trading position, in line with the risk management rules of FXMindTrix Academy's trend following forex trading strategy. Now, since price is still yet to hit the profit target or stop loss which I set for this trading position, I'm going to have to sit on my hands and wait and see if price is going to take me out of the market with a profit or loss on this trading position.
A few moments later.
So it's now been a couple of hours since I gave you an update on the short trading position which I took on the USD-CHF currency pair. And as you can see on the screen, price is gradually approaching the profit target which I set for the short trading position which I took on this currency pair. My short trading position on the USD-CHF is sitting on a little over 90 pips of profits at the moment. And since the profit target which I set for this trading position is about 114 pips away from the trade's entry level, price only needs to move about 24 more pips in the trade's favor for it to hit its profit target. But I would like to also point out to you that price could easily decide to reverse against this trading position to hit its stop loss order. There's really no way for us to know what price is going to do next. And this is one of the reasons why you never want to risk more than 1% of your Forex trading account capital on any single trade, no matter how much confidence you've got in the performance of your Forex trading strategy. Average retail Forex traders like you and I will probably never know which one of our trades are going to turn out to be losing trades and which ones are going to turn out to be winners. We've got no choice but to wait and see if price is going to end up hitting our stop losses or profit targets.
A few moments later.
Alhamdulillah. After waiting for what seems like forever, price has finally hit the profit target which I set for the short trading position which I took on the USD-CHF currency pair a couple of days ago. And since the Forex trading strategy which I used to identify this trade setup has a default risk to reward ratio of 1:2, this trade ended up bringing in a profit which was about 2% of my trading account's capital when price decided to hit the trade's take profit order. If I stick to the risk management rules of our trend following Forex trading strategy and risk no more than 1% of my trading account's capital on each trade I take, it'll take 2 losing trades to wipe away the profits from 1 winning trade. So in a nutshell, if you were to take 100 trades using the Forex trading strategy which you just saw me use to trade the foreign exchange markets in this video, and you wound up losing 50 trades and winning 50 trades, you'll end up with a net profit of about 50% even though you only had a 50% win rate. And in case you didn't know, you do not need a Forex trading strategy with a 100% win rate to make money in this business. You just need a Forex trading strategy that's got an edge over the markets and a modest win rate, sound risk management, and the discipline to follow the rules of that Forex trading strategy through good and bad times without doubting its performance. It's really that simple. My advice to you would be to set a goal of taking at least 100 trades using this Forex trading strategy before trying to assess its trading performance. And to help you accomplish this task, I actually created a private Facebook group where newbies who are struggling and experienced Forex traders who are making a killing with the Forex trading strategy which I just showed you in this video can hang out and help each other to become consistently profitable Forex traders. One of the reasons why I did this is because I know how much of a lonely business Forex trading can be when you're trying to go at it all by yourself. Fortunately, you're not going to need to spend a fortune on low quality online courses or countless hours trying to figure out how to make money through Forex trading when you join our vibrant community of Forex traders over at FXMindTrix Academy.com/community. So what would you rather do? Are you going to commit to this Forex trading strategy and take at least 100 trades with it and prove to yourself that it actually works? Or are you just going to dump it after you encounter a losing streak in search of the next best no-loss Forex trading strategy, which you're probably not going to find anyways? I'd love to hear what you intend to do in our private Forex trading community over on Facebook. So do yourself a favor and take that life-changing step towards becoming the consistently profitable Forex trader which you've always wanted to become by heading over to FXMindTrix Academy.com/community or just clicking on the link in this video's description box below. I'm pretty sure you're not going to regret it. In the meantime, If you would like to learn how to make money online through Forex trading, working less than 4 hours a week from anywhere in the world, head on over to FXMindTrixAcademy.com/blueprint or click on the link in this video's description box below to get instant access to the PDF guide and exclusive video training which is going to show you exactly how to do that right away. And now it's over to you. Since you've now learned how to find entry and exit points using our powerful, low-risk, high-probability Forex trading strategy, let me know which one of these currency pairs you're going to take your 100 trades on using our Forex trading strategy in the comment section. Are you going to take your first 100 trades on the AUD-USD currency pair or the GBP-USD currency pair? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comment section of this video below. But if you'd like to learn exactly how to find low-risk, high-probability Forex trade setups using the trend-following Forex trading strategy which you just saw me use to trade the live foreign exchange markets in this video, click on the video which is being linked on the screen now. And while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload more actionable live Forex trading tutorials just like this one. Thanks a lot for watching this video. See you in the next one.